Right now, I just need you to get real loose.
Hey, Hoover Hawks! We are the fifth graders! And we have been doing a fun run since second grade!
We are making this video to make it easy for our fellow Hoover Hawks and their families to get ready for the Hoover Fun Run, and
we are here to pump you up!
On October 3rd, we will be having our all-school assembly.
Everyone gets together and we talk about how to collect pledges, why we are running, and how we can apply the 7 habits towards our fun run.
To the ride. Now take your left hand and put it on your side.
We begin with the end in mind and set a goal for how many laps we want to run.
and how much money we want to raise to support our school.
We will find out what the prizes are for donations and top runners too.
Let's go! On that day, we will all go home with our Fun Run packet. It has directions on how to set up our Pledge Star webpage and make it super easy to collect donations from people near and far. A video will be sent out showing how to set up an account as well to make it even more easy for you.
Go ahead.
We will have from October 3rd until October 28th to collect donations supporting our fun run.
Do the butterfly, have a good time round, round, round and round you go. It's time to show out right now and take to the floor. Gonna do the two-step.
The actual fun run is on October 21st. It's a very exciting day at the Hoover. Anyone who wants to gets to participate.
Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. Take it down now, take it down now, take it down.
There's a DJ and balloons and an official running time.
Everybody gets 30 minutes to run as far as they can. It's a lot of work and so rewarding.
We are still looking for sponsors for the fun run. Sponsors get signs up around our school as well as their names printed on our cool fun run t-shirts.
Take it to the left now.
Can't wait to see what the Hoover Hawks can accomplish when we all come together for this awesome event to support our school. Hoover Hawk rocks!
That was not so bad. That was not so bad, was it?